Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus GL703G. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Asus GL703G screen is not displaying anything, it can be quite concerning. This issue may arise due to a faulty display, a loose connection, or even a malfunctioning graphics card. If left unattended, it could lead to further damage or complications, so it's advisable to address it promptly. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back panel using the plastic prying tool, making sure to slide it gently along the edges to avoid damaging any clips. Once the panel is off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. The screen issue is often linked to the display cable, which connects the screen to the motherboard. Locate the cable, typically near the hinges of the screen. To extract it, gently disconnect it from its socket, being cautious not to pull on any surrounding components. If the cable appears damaged, it's best to replace it. When replacing the display cable, carefully align it with the socket and press it in until you hear a click. Now, it's time to check the display itself. If you have a replacement screen, remove the old one by unscrewing the screws securing it to the frame. Be mindful of the type of screws used, they can vary in size, so keep track of where each one came from. Once unscrewed, lift the old screen off and position the new one in its place, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws with a gentle touch, over-tightening can cause damage. Reconnect the display cable, ensuring it's securely in place. Before closing the back panel, it's wise to test the screen by powering on the device. If you see the display working correctly, power it off again and proceed to replace the back panel. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure that your laptop is kept in a safe environment where it won't be subjected to pressure or falls. Regularly check for any loose connections and handle your device with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.